Hello everybody, welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, we are always sharing unique and different type of crocheting for you. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find each and every new video for your knowledge. Today's video is all about crocheting car accessories. So, we'll go and over some techniques and ideas for crocheting car accessories. Crocheting car accessories actually is a fantastic way to add a personal touch to your vehicle. Here are some ideas to consider. Steering wheel cover. A crochet steering wheel cover can make your steering wheel more comfortable and add a pop of color to your car's interior. You can choose a simple pattern or get creative with intricate designs. Seat belts cover. These can make seat belts more comfortable and add some style. You can make them with soft yarn of extra comfort and decorate with fun pattern or appliances. Handbrake cover. A crocheted cover for your handbrake can match your steering wheel cover or seat belt cover for a coordinated look. Coasters. Protect your car cup holder and keep things tidy with crocheted coasters. You can create them in different sizes to fit various types of cups and bottles. Dashboard decoration. Small crocheted items like flowers or animals can add a charming touch to your dashboard. You could also make a small crocheted car air freshener holder. Mirror hanger. Decorate your review mirror with a crocheted hanger. You can add small charms or tassels to make it unique. Phone holder. Create a crocheted phone holder or organizer that can be attached to the back of a seat or placed in a cup holder. Trunk organizer. Crochet small pouches or organizers that can be used in the trunk to keep items neatly arranged. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your beloved friends also can watch such type of and unique video. Seat covers. If you are up for a bigger project, you could make full seat cover. This requires more yarn and effort but can completely transform the look of your car's interior. For most of these projects, you will need yarn in your chosen color and crochet hook and possibly some fabric or elastic if you want to add extra durability. There are plenty of patterns available online, or you can create your own design based on what you want to achieve. Materials for steering wheel covers. We will inform some materials that what you need to create a steering wheel cover. First one, soft yarn, cotton or acrylic. A crochet hook that matches the yarn weight. Techniques. Start with the chain that matches the circumstances of your steaming wheels and work in the round using single crochet or half double crochet stitches. You can add a sung fit by incorporating elastic yarn or fabric inside the cover. With the happy ending today's video. Hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique ideas.